nice and ready to go. Look at that. All right, welcome back everybody. So as you see it, we're going to be doing bacon on the Traeger grill. Now I've done bacon before at 300 degrees and they were almost perfect. So at 275, we'll give them a little extra time on the Traeger, a little bit of more smoke flavor, because bacon and smoke flavor together, perfect. So that being said, let's go ahead and fire up the Traeger. All right, now that our Traeger is up to temp, now let's put these bad boys in there. So I don't remember if a whole package fits. I think it does.
Real close to each other.
All right, now that we have our bacon in there, we have it at 275 degrees. We're going to leave it there for 1 hour. We're not going to turn it. We're not going to do anything. We're just going to set it and forget it, and we'll be back in 1 hour. So this is 45 minutes, and the bacon's nice and ready to go. Look at that. Oh man, that's some good bacon. Let's give this bacon a try. All right guys, our bacon is done. It was actually there for 45 minutes at 275 degrees. So now let's give this bad boy a try. Look at that. Has some good coloring. You taste that smoke flavor on it. It just melts in your mouth. Oh man. Now if you like your bacon to have a lot of that smoke flavor, then this is perfect. If not, then 300 degrees at a half hour will work great. But wow, this is great. It was delicious. I love it. Hopefully you guys love it. A lot of this is always a trial. You try new things. I personally like this. As like I said, it has a really good smoke flavor. And it just melts. So if you guys want to try this at 275, go ahead and try it. Or you guys don't want that much smoke flavor, then 300 degrees for about 40 minutes to half hour. So hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys hit that boom, hit that subscribe button, because there's more great content coming and you guys do not want to miss any of this. And make sure you guys check out these videos, Traeger or Blackstone. If you guys have a Blackstone or want to buy a Blackstone and want to look into it, bam, check these videos out. Or not, stick to the Traeger videos. So thank you guys, and I will see you guys next time.